How to fix Instagram messages not sending. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'll teach you how you can fix Instagram messages not sending. So before we begin, if you're new here, just subscribe and stay tuned for more. Now let's begin. So the first and foremost, the most simple, basic quick fixes are swiping up from the bottom and removing from the background. That way your app will force close and then you can reopen it. This can clear out any temporary glitches that you might have. And if that does not work, restart your phone. Press on the volume up button and power button together and you'll find the restart option. Tap on it. So if that does not work, occasionally the problem is not on your end, so you can just wait for some time since there can be some issues with the server itself. And if that does not work, and after you've waited for some time, and if it still has some issue, what you'll need to do is you'll need to clear out the cache from your Instagram. So long press on your Instagram app. You'll find the app info option. Tap on it. Then head over to your storage and cache. Then clear out your cache. That will remove any kind of temporary glitches and corrupted cache files, and that will get fixed from there. After that, finally, you might have to check your Wi-Fi. Now, your network is the main thing here. You'll need to check if you're connected to a good and stable Wi-Fi, and yeah, those are the basic fixes. If nothing works, you can simply uninstall the app and reinstall it, and that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.